All right, guys, it's Happy Monday, and it's time to dig into the box. This is one of several locks that from Harbor Freight. Somebody sent them to me. Nobody's yet taken credit. I don't know if that's by design or not. This is a 5/8 inch pin lock, so a coupler lock by Hallmaster, model 95831. Yeah, not a lot else about it, except somewhere I saw it on here, made in China. So anyway, let's take a look at this guy, see what we got. Get that out of here, don't need that. Let's take a look at the keys. Ah, check it out. It is a dimple lock. I would not have predicted that from Harbor Freight. Sure enough, check it out. Got a real tight little keyway. I mean, small, not restrictive, but a small dimensioned. I don't know what that is. Get that out of here. Let's make sure the thing works. And it does. And it is key retaining. Pretty cool. So, all right, so there we go. All right, let's take a look at this guy, see if we can get this picked. I'm going to grab, I guess, this guy. See if he'll fit. I'll try to do this in my hand. Got a little spring loading on that core, as you can see. All right, let's see what we got here. I'm going to start with a flat flag. So this is the number 5 from the multi-pick kit. So what I'm going to do, let me turn it so you can see. I'm going to probably put him in this corner and use him to angle up at those pins. I think that will work. So let's try it. Let's zoom in a little bit. Try that. All right, so moderate tension. We'll start there, see what happens. All right, I'm trying to find a speed bump. Make sure my flag's oriented right. And it feels like pin 2, got a little click. Pin 3. Got a little click. Pin 4. Got a little click. I think the only one left is pin 1. Let me see if I can get under him. And sure enough, there we go. All right. That wasn't too bad. All right, let's lock it back up. And let's try something a little different. Let's try a pick I rarely get to use, but it looks like it might fit. And that would be this. This is from the Goso kit. And I actually shaved him down on the width. He was much wider, but that absolutely would not fit into any keyway. But by narrowing it down, it fits into some of them. And now I've done all the talking. Let's see if it even fits. Let me back up a little because I'm probably going to get a little vigorous with this guy. All right, put our tensioner back in there. And let's see if he does fit. I'm going to try it first with no tension. So put it with the bumps pointing towards the pins, obviously. Yeah, I say that for myself. I've made that mistake more than once. Yeah, it's a little tight. It's having a little trouble getting in there, but we'll try it. So let's apply, again, let's try moderate tension. And I'm going to grab this like I'm grabbing, a knife. And just kind of do some raking here, see what we got. And there we go, too easy. All right, just offhand, I would say that the 5/8 inch pin lock from Hallmaster, probably not a good choice. I mean, it's kind of cool looking and material-wise. They put a lot of thought into the physical security. They just didn't put a lot of thought into, raising the quality of that lock. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal, stay away from Hallmaster. Thanks, guys.